Hello guys, this is WAVE1. Today I have a Tidal tin of the Dragon Ruler. Yeah, it was released yesterday, so I got this from my local M&M Games in Croydon. Yeah, they do a tournament. I mention this in every video, YUGIOH video I do. So yeah, let's get this opening started. Need the keys. Okay. So yeah. Oh, that's new. They're doing everything in one single pack now. Okay. Okay. So let's start off with the special cards we get. Oh, looks like you get one of these. I'll show you that in a second. So Tidal Dragon Ruler of Waterfalls. A card that everyone's been wanting and is so expensive. Blackluster Soldier, Envoy of Beginning. Another good card that's cool, Ally of Justice Catastor. This card, yes, guess it's good, but you would have to have 2 level 10s. And Fire Fist of the Brotherhood Bear. Okay? So let's go on to the packs. Yeah. Oh crap, dropped it. Clumsy fingers. Okay, let's hope for some actual good cards, like maybe number 104, Chaos Form or something like that. Or number 66. That's something I need. Okay, so Super Defense Robot, Leo, Shark Caesar, Unumbriel Horror Unform, Bujin Gi Orfingana, I don't know. Bujin Gi Crane. Look, so the holo is a Princess of Cherry Blossoms. Fencing Fire Ferret. Super Defense Robot Moki. Fishbot Archer. Okay, that's the first pack. Let's go on to the next. So the next card is Bujin Warg, Mecha Phantom Beast, Coltwing, Sonic Boom, Brotherhood of the Fire Fist, Carbuyu, I don't know. Oh, it's one of the new synchros, Fire Fist of the Brotherhood of the Fire Fist, Kurin, and no holo. Sargasso, the DD Battlefield, Drunk Blader, the Calibrator, new calculator, and Yubin Horror Willow of the Wisps. Okay, next pack. Let's move on to the Tachyon Galaxy. Okay. So we got, yeah, I'm not going to really read these because I've already done an opening on them. So yeah, I'll read the holos though. Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Rhino, no holo. This set ain't that good really when you think about it. The Tachyon Galaxy set was pretty bad. Okay, next pack. Wheel of Prophecy. No holo. Oh, you get 3 of these packs. That's pretty cool. I thought you got an Abyss Rising. Harpy's Pet Phantom Dragon. No holo. So let's see. Yeah, nothing on the bottom. Yeah, so it turns out in this set you're supposed to get 3 Tachyon Galaxy, 2 Judgment of the Light booster packs. Yeah. Okay. Well, thanks for watching. Subscribe to me, go to the tournament, M&M Games, have fun and all that, and also Yay, BLS, BLS, BLS. Yeah, that wasn't to taunt, I just love BLS. Thank you and goodbye.